Everybody's a winner at Jack Daniels or they wouldn't be here competing, but there's always got to be a top place. See who won this year's Jack Daniels.
Let's have a big, big round of applause for Tana Shoup and Bonnie Lewis. Without those two, we wouldn't be here today.
Okay, winner, $1,000, and the trophy goes to IQ. Congratulations to IQ. Okay, we have a couple of gentlemen who are going to help us with the awards. One who has been here with us through 18 years, and we absolutely love him. It's our retired master distiller, Frank Frog Bobo. He's going to sit here in a little while. We're hoping we're going to get our present distiller, Jimmy Bedford, to come down and help us out also. Where are you, Jimmy? Come on in. Okay, our master distiller, our current master distiller, Jimmy Bedford, come on in, have a seat. We're not going to make you stand this year. We're going to let you sit and rock. Okay, and chicken, first place. A check for $1,000. The trophy and ribbon goes to Dirty Dick and the Legless Wonders. Okay, first place in pork ribs, a check for $1,000. The trophy and ribbon goes to Pork and Bone. First place in the pork category, a check for $1,000 and an invitation to the Butt to Butt in Shannon, Illinois goes to Jumpin' Joe's Barbecue. Okay, first place, beef brisket, $1,000. Out of Texas, Blazing Barbecue. The reserve grand champion. And I think I'm gonna read the total, okay? This looks like fun. 654.2856. A check for $1,500. Our stave trophy and the ribbon goes to Oink County Cookers. This is first place with a score of 654.8568. A check for $2,500. CancerSucksChicago.com.
Congratulations. I know this must
Thank
be a
you.
really special time
It's
for you.
unbelievable.
Bittersweet, though.
Yeah, I mean, I still have to go home tomorrow and take care of, everything for my dad, but right now this is happy. He's smiling down, and I'm sure he's big smile on his face right now, so
Congratulations.
thank you very much.